Ancient Persians were chilling their drinks with ice thousands of years before refrigerators existed. In the blistering heat of the Iranian desert, they engineered massive underground ice pits called yakhshils that could preserve snow and ice all summer long. These structures were architectural marvels, towering domes made of special heat-resistant mud bricks, with thick walls and clever ventilation shafts. Even when temperatures soared outside, the inside stayed cool enough to keep ice from melting for months. Persian engineers would collect ice during the cold winter nights and haul it into the pits, stacking it deep below ground. Food, drinks, and even royal treats were stored in the cool darkness, making summer feasts possible in one of the world's hottest regions. The next time you grab a cold drink from the fridge, remember, ancient Persians were already mastering the art of refrigeration, turning the desert into a place where ice could survive the sun.